Mila bro. Nunti sat lawa. Pura witty, pura tea. Oh! You got a nice butt, man. Yeah. And here we go. This is for barbecue. Khatam.
Alright guys, so this is the place where we settled last night.
Guys, here we are, back on the bike again. And first things first, let's fill up the gas first, or else we'll be driving a long way today. So we need to fill it up first. Alright guys, so I will be going to my parents' office to get a money for my brother's admission fee. To get a money for my brother's tuition fee. I mean hostel fee. And I have to go to my brother's hostel too and deliver the money first. And after that, I'll be going to the Loktak Project. Hey! Hello beautiful people! What is up? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today I hope it will be a good day. And look at the weather. It's a good weather too. One of my friends, that guy talk from Loktak Hydro Project, he's a rider too. He called me up and he asked me whether if I want to join them in a camping. So I answered him, obviously yes, why not? Because I love camping. And that too guys, it will be at some open space, and I think we may have a good view. It's gonna be my first time camping over there at Loktak Project. I mean Loktak Hydro Project. Let's see guys, if we have time, let's go and visit Laymatak. And there's a good view there. Alright guys, so that's all about the plan. So I'll see you once I reach my brother's hostel. We are at Messi School. No, not yet. The road condition of Messi School looks so messy. Oh. So guys, this is the hostel. Yo, look at the clouds. Oh, it's so cool. Mila bro. And over there, that's their school. Magi hostel fees kai pido no? School da. Alright, so guys, I have to go to their school for the payment process. Madam, my school hostel fee am the TV agro. My mess fee si ame. Nunti sa cha lo mo ja. Nunti sa cha lo. Alright guys, so that's it. It's done now, and I have to give this slip to the hostel. So alright, beautiful people of Nambol. Here we are at Nambol guys. I jump right from Changange to Nambol. I like this truck, man. Happy Advent Christmas, beautiful people of Nambol. Alright guys, so let's enjoy with music.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand.
So guys, I've reached Loktak Project. Stock and all they are there, but I took the wrong path, so I have to change it. Have to go back. I should have taken the first right. Now I have to go back. So here we are at the ground, and I think this is the parking slot. Ooh. Jiten, say hi. Oh. And guys, here we met a new friends. And this one is also new.
It's twice today.
And we're having bora. Wow, bora with tea, bora tea. And one of our friends is playing there. Talk. See. He's running like contra bad guy.
It's a spicy one, guys.
And these girls are screaming like hell. That's Talk. Talk! Talk! Hey! Hello, baby! Big fan! They're ready for the penalty shootout. This is gonna be the first goal. Oh! Talk is happy! Talk is happy! Next penalty shootout, Jennifer. So if he misses this goal, the blue team is gonna win. Let's see. Oh! Winner! Chicken dinner! Duck dinner! Congratulations, Talk. You got a nice butt, man. Yeah! We'll be back. Now, I'm taking Talk to his home for showering because he's so smelly now. And after he take bath, we'll be going to the camping site. So guys, stay tuned. See you at Talk's place. Woo! Jennifer! So guys, this is for barbecue. Handmade sauce. 5. He's afraid, man. He's afraid of me. Another 5. Choose 1 or 2. Which one?
Buy 1, 2 free.
Buy 1, 2 free. A few moments later. Whee! Huh? Alright guys, so we have just reached the camping site and I'll show you it. See all these blankets. Hey. And over there, that's our kitchen. And guys, tomorrow morning I'll show you a good view. And here we go. This is for barbecue. Wow! Chicken barbecue. So we are off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is our firewood. And over here, this is our duck meat. Wah, quack, quack. And these are our bags and our things. And guys, I'll show you something. Homemade barbecue stuff. Alright guys, so I'll catch you up once the sunrise and once it's morning. Hey, bye bye. Woo, good night.
12 o'clock midnight.
BK, woo! Chicken dinner, woo, BK. BK chicken.
Jennifer with 2 legs, with 2 eyes, and with 1 naton.
A few moments later.
Stealing hen, what happens?
Accident happened.
Accident
happened as well.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, good morning. I just woke up. It's a good one sleeping here inside the tent. I was sleeping with Talk here. I'll show you outside guys. Surprise. Woo! Good morning, Asong.
Good morning!
BK morning. Talk morning. Martin. Morning. Alright guys, so this is the place where we settled last night. Park our bikes there, if you can see it. So foggy here. Loktak is over there. So guys, look at the mess up. Wow, last night. Leftover chicken dinner. Even there, that's the head. See Jennifer's feather. It was BK's plan to steal that chick. To steal Jennifer. Last time we went there and then we eloped Jennifer and we kill her. Alright guys, so I'll catch you up once we are back on the bike. So see you.
Break down. I Always feel like I could break now, but I
Alright guys, so we're picking our things up. Now we are about to leave. Khatam. Khatam. Bye bye. Khatam. BK. Hangover. OD. This guy is OD, man. On duty. Alright, now me and Tok, we're gonna get the car from his place and we'll come back here again. So guys, see you. Woo! Oh, if you can see that yellowish spot. Picture is that? Oh, kayak gini. Ini vlog